Hello, future millionaire. I'm coming to you today to give you an update about the progress between me and Elon Musk. Just to summarize, first of all, Elon has sold 10% of the BTC right after I post my video. That's the first thing. He said, of course, that his personal BTC is still around, but who knows? You cannot verify it, I cannot verify it, he can say whatever he wants. Hello. So what I'm doing here is to demonstrate to everybody, right now it's lunchtime actually, demonstrate to everybody, even on a busy shopping day, at lunchtime, there's plenty of capacity for their cars. If I get my hands on those Teslas, they will be charging here all the time, for longer than they think. And I'm happy to pay you, Elon, all the fees you want for your charging, generate revenue for you, advertise for you, all that stuff. I'm a big fan, don't forget about that. So I hope you will accept my offer. However, this offer is quite limited because as soon as Ioniq 5 is available in Australia, I must switch over to Ioniq 5. So don't think that you are the only one providing exactly what we need. What we need is a platform for our product, no more, no less. And that platform is electric car based. So don't believe that you have a monopoly over EVs. You don't. When Volkswagen come out with the ID products here in Australia, I will be able to adopt those as well. We are brand agnostic, but right now in Australia, Tesla simply has the best charging infrastructure. That will no longer be the case in the near future. And if you don't believe me, just look at Norway. Look at the market share of Tesla in Norway. Where was it before and where it is today? And right now in Europe, for example, market share for Tesla is dropping like crazy. So here in Australia, I'm still giving you a head up. Elon, if you accept my offer, take Bitcoin Cash as direct payment for your Teslas. I'm more than happy to do the deal as soon as I can and roll out the whole platform based on your vehicles first. But again, this is not just designed for Teslas, it is designed for every single electric cars out there. Okay, I see you in the next video, and that's going to be the final video of the series, 30 videos within 30 days for Bitcoin Cash for beginners. And I think I've delivered in far less than 30 days. And in the very last one, I will give you some hot tips, and I will tell you what I'm going to do next video-wise. But be assured, I will not be going anywhere. I'll be here on YouTube promoting Bitcoin Cash until we go to 100x from today's price. All right. See you in the next one. Bye.